Hello, welcome to the Extra Edit channel. I've been editing videos on this PC. This is my Acer Nitro 5. It's one of those PCs that are very good for gaming.
I got killed!
Fortunately, for a person like me, I don't do gaming.
Poland, how's it going?
So I use this PC for editing videos. That's what I do with this PC, and maybe some office work. That's what I use for. I've been editing videos on this PC for some time, and I guess it's time for me to upgrade, because every time I try to run programs like After Effects, I get issues. Either the program is very slow or I can't even open a program, because when you go into the settings of After Effects, you can dedicate a specific amount of RAM to After Effects, and that's what I did with this PC. So I dedicated about 13 gigs of RAM to After Effects. So when I try to run other programs, it's kind of glitchy, doesn't work out really. So I happened to purchase this piece of RAM, and it came through, of course, Amazon. Now, this is a chip that is also 16 gigs, and I'm going to be installing it into this machine, and we're going to upgrade. So I purchased this piece of RAM from a website called Crucial. I'll put the links in the description. On that website, you simply punch in your PC specifications, the model and everything, and then they will look for a piece of hardware that is compatible with your machine, and there's no room for error, there's no room for guessing. Just know that you're going to get the right product that is going to be working and running on your PC perfectly. Now, I've done this in the past with my old Acer PC, where I had to upgrade my SSD, and I actually went through the same process on the same website. I got the exact piece of hardware that I needed to run on my PC. So without further ado, let's dive into this process. So this PC has about 11 screws, and all you need is just a star head screwdriver to take out these little screws. I like the fact that the screws are not tight, easy to take them out. There is 11 of them, and if you watch my channel, you know that I usually do tutorials on this channel. Let's do this. So I need 11 screws. One more screw left here. That's 11 screws. So the next step, Crucial, assembled in Mexico. That's the piece of hardware we're going to be installing in the machine. So we have to use something plasticky to open this up. I'm using a card. Oh man, it's scary. Again, if you're not professional or you're afraid of trying these kinds of things, you make sure you take your machine to a professional so that you don't have to damage your machine. So as you can see, that came off so easily. It wasn't really much of a struggle. So I have a piece of brush here. I'll just brush this off. I guess the warranty that came with this PC is now over, because I have opened this PC myself, and I didn't take it to Best Buy, Geek Squad, to do it for me. So as you can see, there's a lot of dirt that accumulated in the fans here. Let me just adjust this, bring it closer here so you guys can have a more detailed view. So I look at the fans. I don't know which is the right way of cleaning this, but a lot of dust had accumulated in there. This is my toothbrush. I really don't care. As long as I get to clean the PC and everything is neat and clean, that's what really matters. The downside of doing this is the fact that while I'm trying to clean, I think much of the dust is it's falling back there. So I guess I have to open this up, which I really didn't want to, because all the dust is just getting back. You see these moves? This is so intact, because I really wanted just this. Just wanted to clean the fans. So this is our new RAM chip that we're going to add in. It's 16 gigs. So I know this space here is where you can have extra hard drive. You can have a hard drive here or an SSD. You can add it here. I guess this is where the RAM is. I know I can pop this out like that. This is 8 gigs of RAM. I don't know, why are they different? So I don't have any other place apart from these two. That's the only place I can put RAM. In case I have to just deal with that. And then you just push it in. Once it makes that clicking sound, that's it. I guess that's that. So I get to spare these 8. I actually thought there was only one piece of RAM that had 16 gigs, but there are actually 2 pieces of 8 gigs of RAM that are in this PC. So which means I've taken out 8 and I've added 16, which pushes my number to, that's 24 gigs of RAM. I wanted really to push it to 32, but I guess that can happen. So let's put back these. It's really so easy. So easy. As you can see, there's a lot of dust here. Hear that clicking sound? That's one of the most satisfying sounds. When you hear everything clicking in, pop, pop, pop. It's very satisfying. So we'll just put this back together. I'll put the links in the description where you can find pieces of RAM and any other extra hardware that you need for your machines. I love PCs because I have the ability to customize my machine and, add hardware and upgrade. Unlike Apple products, I just hate the whole Apple ecosystem because they get you locked into an ecosystem and you really can't do much if you need to upgrade your machine. You have to just buy a new machine. That is why I hate Apple. Of course, I have an iPhone. But I hate Apple generally. They're just there to make money. So, moment of truth. Let's start this machine and see if at all we did a good job. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. The fans turned on. I felt them, but it's taking a while to boot up, as you can see. The screen is dark. Okay, it's starting up. You can see the word Acer. I know it should work. It's taking some time. So I have a piece of RAM to spare. Okay, guess we're in. You heard that sound? It's taking some time to start up. There we go. Still slow. Let's go to settings, system, about this PC, specifications. Okay, here we go. Installed RAM, as you can see here, it says 24 gigs of RAM. It says 23.8 is usable. So I guess we did a good job. I'm going to put the links in the description if you're interested in buying hardware for your machines. That website is called Crucial. You can just go in there and put in your PC specifications and they will get you the right hardware that is compatible with your machines. Thank you for watching. I love you guys and I'm out of here. Don't forget to say hi to your mom.